A warning tonight. A scam that first targeted consumers is now hitting businesses.
The IRS, the Social Security Administration, and the Better Business Bureau all targets. News 4 Sharon Johnson explains it's so widespread, the FBI is now involved.
It's so bad that the FBI put out a press release against it.
Against fraudulent emails to businesses saying someone has filed a complaint against their company. The criminals make it look like the emails come from legitimate government agencies or organizations like the Better Business Bureau.
And we've got dozens of companies that say they've received locally. Now this is locally across the nation. It's, a lot of bureaus have gotten things across the nation.
The emails address the company by name and may have other pertinent information. But here's the problem. The email asks the company to click on an attachment to view the complaint.
But every company that we've received information from says, we have no complaint. We don't know anything about a complaint.
And that's where they get you. The attachment contains a virus wrapped in a screensaver that cannot be detected by your antivirus software. Once downloaded, the unknown screensaver sits back undetected and continuously steals valuable usernames and passcodes. Then company data can be easily accessed.
If it's telling you to link on to things, that's not something we would tell you to do.
It's a scam and not how the government agencies or the Better Business Bureau does business. Sharon Johnson, WYFF News 4 Greenville.